What's up guys, my name is Brendan and today I want to give you an introduction into vertical spin kicks by teaching you 3 tricks: the Pop 180 Crescent, the Pop Tornado, and then finally the Fei-Long. First, we're going to learn the Pop 180 Crescent, and that's going to start in a front side stance. So the front of your body should be facing the way you twist. Because I twist to my left, I need to face my chest to my left side, and that's going to be my takeoff position. From there, we're going to squat down and do a huge jump. And by doing this, we're going to initiate our twist. As we jump, we want to bring our arms in a hoop in front of us and then pull them towards our left shoulder. As we do this, we're going to look left and bring our legs together. Now keep in mind, if you twist to your right, just reverse everything. Once you're in the air, you're going to be turning 180 degrees. So make sure you're looking to the left the whole time until you re-spot your target. And when you spot that target, we're going to initiate our kick. Now remember, this is a Pop 180 Crescent. Pop because it takes off of 2 legs, 180 because we're spinning 180 degrees in the air, and then Crescent because the kick in this skill is going to be an inside to outside crescent kick. So make sure your legs are nice and warmed up before trying the Pop 180 Crescent. That's the basic technique, but if that's too easy for you, we're gonna scale up and go from the Pop 180 Crescent into our Pop Tornado kick, otherwise known as Pop 360 Round. The Pop Tornado is going to start just like the Pop 180 Crescent did. We're going to start in a front side stance with our chest facing our left, our eyes forward, our arms relaxed in the fighting stance, and our legs about shoulder width apart. From there, we're going to squat down and jump into our twisting position. So look to your left, bring your arms to your left shoulder, and bring your legs together. Hold that position until you re-spot your target, and once you do, bring up your left leg just like you did for the Pop 180 Crescent, but only bring it up as a knee. After that, you're going to bring your left leg down and switch it with your right leg. That switch is what's going to initiate your hip turnover and let you do a solid round kick. So you're going to be jumping from that front side stance, twisting 360 degrees in the air, and then throwing out a roundhouse kick. Imagine like you're doing a Pop 180 Crescent, and then just drop the left only with the knee, drop the left and bring out the round kick. If you feel good about the Pop 180 Crescent as well as the Pop Tornado, I recommend you try a Fei-Long. A Fei-Long is putting the 2 moves together. So you start in a front side stance, you jump, do the same kick you did in a Pop 180, that inside to outside crescent, but then you axe it down. Let that dropping leg drive the right leg up and you throw a roundhouse kick. You're taking the Pop 180 Crescent and the Pop 360 Round and sticking them together, and you end up with a skill called the Fei-Long. Thank you guys so much for watching. That should give you an introduction into vertical spin kicks, and now you have 3 new moves: the Pop 180 Crescent, the Pop 360 Round, and the Fei-Long. This should give you a good baseline to work off of to progress to even higher moves. You can do a Pop 180 Crescent, but you can also do a Pop 540 Crescent and continue scaling up after that. Thank you guys again for watching. It means the world to me. Thank you so much to all the patrons who have been donating their money towards the Mastering Series. It means the world to me that you guys also want to spread this sport, not only to do cool flips, but also to develop as a person, to give you a reason to go out and be healthy. It means the world to me that you guys share this vision of mine. Thank you so much for watching, and please have a lovely day.